That's right, Cup of Joe Christmas is in full effect. I'm Joel Villafano. Let's get cracking. We're rolling out some recipes, and Christmas means something different to every family in the Caribbean. There are certain heritages that we've brought down here in the Caribbean that Christmas dishes apply differently across the Caribbean. And the Portuguese heritage is something that in Trinidad and Tobago, and I think in different parts of the Caribbean as well, garlic pork is a serious thing on a Christmas table on Christmas morning. So for those of you who may know, the process to do garlic pork is a hell of a process. You gotta get that pork washed, cleaned, and in a brine with some vinegar. Some people would use shadow benny, thyme, whatever herbs you like. And you gotta soak that over at least 5 to 7 days. I know a Portuguese family that literally every day or two, they dip the finger in the brine, make sure the brine tasting good and get too bitter. It's a process, but the final result is amazing. So thanks to the folks at Macfoods, you don't have to do all of that this Christmas if you're feeling for some garlic pork in your hops or in your homemade bread or next to your pastel. Macfoods, they're provided their very own prepared garlic pork. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to pull it together this morning. All the work done for you right here, and all you need to do is a touch of oil in a hot pan. Just a little touch of oil, nothing much. Get that oil nice and hot. So guys, already marinating in some garlic, vinegar, salt, fresh green seasonings, all here soaking for you. So all you need to do, in a hot pan with some oil. Yeah, baby. And that's the sound you want to hear. You should smell what we're smelling. Properly seasoned garlic pork. And all you want to do is to get this nice and crispy on both sides. It will take no longer than, I would say, just about 5 to 7 minutes or so. Kind of get both sides going. 5 to 7 minutes, guys. So just about 5 minutes in, I have some beautiful bell peppers, and this is optional because I really just like some color. You eat with your eyes sometimes, so nice red and green peppers that I got, and I just want to add it just about 5 minutes in, just for it to get nice and look at that, nice color coming together nicely, and just in about 2 minutes we're ready to go. Just allowing the peppers to cook through with the garlic pork. You actually don't need to season or add anything to this. That's the reality. It's that simple. Thanks to the folks at Macfoods. And that's it, guys. My garlic pork is ready. The great thing is that Macfoods has prepared an entire range of ready-to-cook meals like this. There's a gyro pork that I just love. So not only garlic pork, gyro pork. Go and check out the full range of the Macfoods ready-to-cook line. I am going to have this bad boy with some nice hops bread. So all I want to do, very simple, keeping it simple. I love a little creamy touch. It normally has a little acidic kind of vibe. So I just really want some mayonnaise, plain old mayonnaise. Just a layer on one side. I'm one of those, if you're eating mayonnaise, you're eating mayonnaise, right? So nice thick layer of mayonnaise. Don't eat mayonnaise every day, but when you're eating mayonnaise, you eat mayonnaise. Now, I just spoon all this wonderful garlic pork goodness, some lovely peppers, too easy to be true. feeling for that garlic pork on Christmas morning, guys? Garlic pork goodness. Thank you to the folks at Macfoods for making it possible. We're coming back. Christmas is in the air, right here on Cup of Joe.